Hey everybody! Welcome back to Melby's. Today we are doing another Home Depot's craft at home. Today we are doing a fire truck. This is raisable up and down. It has wheels so it's able to drive around. So let's get right into it.
So you got our packs from Home Depot.
So here we have some wheels, and then we have some screws and these little pieces.
Okay.
And nails.
And what else comes in the pack? Some instructions, Elijah? What did we do different to your block?
We spray painted our blocks.
Printed them ahead, and we did it so that way we're not waiting for them to dry. Okay, so we got to get the small block, square one, right? Or the big one. The big block and the little block.
Is you take this, take it this way so it's side to side with these holes.
Okay. What tools do we need for this, guys?
Oh, so we need a hammer
Okay.
and a screwdriver.
And
glue.
glue? We're going to need some glue for that.
And the Sharpie if you want to write your name on the side. or-
Okay, cool. Well, we got to open the pack of nails, and I think Isaiah already did that. So you put them in, Daniel, and then you just kind of hammer them in a little. And you grab your hammer and the handle a little bit toward the bottom so you can be able to balance the hammer and put more weight on the head. And you want to use more force. Perfect.
More baby.
Small little nails. Now let's do the next nail, Daniel, and hammer it in through. You want to hammer that one in now. And again, you want to hammer with a good amount of weight. Go ahead and swing. Once you have it steady, make sure it's straight. You don't want to go crooked. All right, Daniel, so show us how it looks here hammered on your piece.
Oh, mine's a bit crooked.
It's a little crooked, okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hammer the rest. So we have all the blocks hammered in, nailed in. Can you guys show me how your fire trucks look so far? Isaiah, let me see how your fire truck looks. You got yours hammered in there? Mm-hmm. Perfect, okay. So it got hammered in.
Mine
Pretty good. Yeah. And yours, Daniel?
It's good.
It looks good. And Elijah, how about yours? You got yours nailed in? Excellent. So what is that on the instruction? So we're looking for a red rectangle, right? So that's basically what's going to be is the lights, the siren lights for the fire truck. So you find your rectangle and you're going to need a nail. Is it a long nail or a short nail?
Long.
Looks like a long nail because it's going to have to go through. And you want to put it in that little pinhole that's already been cut for you. And make sure it's not the screw, because that's the screw right there. We want the long nail. And then we need to hammer it through just a little bit so it goes through before we hammer it onto the fire truck. Like Daniel's doing right here on the ground. And we want to be gentle and careful. We don't want to get our fingers. Once it's through, you can stop. I think that's all the way through right there. Perfect. Yep, you can see it already peeking through. And then you're going to find a place where it's going to go onto the fire truck. And now you're going to hold the fire truck and the block as it hammers all the way down.
So next step is we're gonna get the supporter.
The support base?
Yes,
need
for the
what
ladder.
pieces we need? Oh, for this right here?
Yes, we need our square, these two little pieces, and some nails.
Once it's done, Isaiah, how does it look?
Like this.
So it will be put together, making sure that the loopholes are on the top. And Elijah, how is that going to turn? You need to put a screw on that base there. So we need to put the screw that goes down in here that you can't see on the ladder. But it's in there. And you put the screw where, Daniel?
Right over here.
You get the long screw. You're going to need a screwdriver for this.
Yes.
So you put the screw down through.
I don't know what to
Isaiah has it. He's going to try to put this
It looks like
screw in
this.
there.
I got it in the
Because how does that go, Daniel? Left.
lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
So you got to turn to the right to
Yes.
make sure that it's timed through. And then you keep turning, and it's gonna go through.
And then we're gonna, after it's all the way screwed in, we're gonna get this round one, not the flat, the round piece,
Yep.
and stick it right in here once the nails or the screws are in. Kind of like Elijah.
You put your block, the long squared or long rectangle, the gray one, put in between, and then you're gonna have to put the screws there on the side.
Yep. If it's not in, this happens.
It just falls off, Elijah. It goes too far and it breaks. And you don't want to do that if it's a ladder, right? Because if people are climbing up and down, that needs to be pretty strong to stay in place.
like this. We're gonna start it like this so it's easier to screw in.
Do that next, Nathaniel. The wheels?
Yeah.
So we should open up the pack of wheels.
I already got mine behind it. Oh, runaway wheel.
Runaway wheel.
Mine. Got it.
How many pieces should come for your wheels?
1, 2, 3, 4 wheels.
4 wheels, and then
4 of these little pegs. So this top part should be. Guys, I know you want to do what I'm doing, right? Hard part. Get them ready.
Yep.
This, and this is when the glue's about to come in.
Oh, so we're gonna need some glue for this, right?
Bigger part to go through this type of part where it's more
The
round.
peg through the wheel?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you're gonna need some glue. So this is when the glue comes in. Dip
So we
it.
dip it into the glue and then we put it in.
Then you're gonna have to do some hammering.
You have to hammer the peg in a little bit. So be careful, hold the fire truck. Okay. And it hammers right on through. Perfect there, Daniel. That's good. It's not gonna go all the way through. It's not a nail, it's a peg just to let the wheel move around. And now Isaiah's gonna do that. His wheel. Sure you hammer through just enough. There you go, perfect, Isaiah. Turn all the wheels. Do they spin? They do spin, huh?
Look, when they drive.
Do they drive? That's pretty good. Okay, so you got all the wheels in place.
So now we're all gonna do the stickers.
So we got stickers to put on our fire trucks. And make sure you follow the model that we have here to help you figure out how the stickers go.
So first, I'm gonna lay mine back like this.
You do the lights first. So you put some lights on the front and some lights on the top. Elijah, are you putting stickers in the front of it already? Let's take a look. Pretty good. Again, you can look at your model here or your picture, your instructions to tell you. Build it how you want.
Yeah. So the thing about these Home Depot crafts, you can make them however you want.
Right.
You can put the stickers anywhere you want. You can draw anywhere you want. You can design it however you want.
So what are you going to do for yours? You're going to add?
My name on both sides and my initials on the back.
Isaiah, what did you do to yours already? Show us.
Look at the bottom.
You wrote your name?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay.
And Elijah, what did you do to yours? Show me up here. You colored the back gray and the base gray. Did you do anything underneath? Nothing? Are you going to put your name on it maybe? You are? So how does this look here now, Nathaniel?
Alright, so you have an E-Panier on the side,
Great.
another E-Panier on the other side,
And in the back,
for my
EMP in the back. Cool. So now that you finished this workshop, like every other Home Depot Kids workshop, they hand you these badges for completing the workshop. If you could show me the badge, Nathaniel, for this one, what does it look like?
A little fire truck.
Let's take a look. Fire truck, cool. So you're gonna add these to your vest. And as you can see here, Nathaniel's done several workshops and Isaiah has some more to go as well. So you got your badges. And so now you guys can pretend that there is a fire and they're calling for fire trucks to come help and rescue people at the top of the building over here, guys. And bring your fire truck through.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Well, we hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed it. Keep an eye out for more videos of these from Home Depot.
Bye everyone. Thank you for watching Melvies. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell.